your story about what's been going on in your ear while I grab the otoscope.
My hearing in my left ear has been kind of gone. It's all echoey and like more white noise that I can hear.
Let the irrigation begin. So tell me how the temperature is. And
It's warm.
it is warm. Not too warm?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Oh, my ear finally popped.
You did feel the pop, okay, or hear it.
Yeah, like I can actually hear now.
Oh, good. Okay. It's,
So it's on its way.
all right. Let's. Can you see it there?
Not yet. Oh,
And there it is.
wow. There it is. It's a big plug.
All right.
Ooh. Did you feel that?
Mm-hmm. It goes from like warm to cold.
And if you enjoy videos like this, please subscribe, share with your friends, thumbs up. Until next time, this is Dr. Mark Vaughn telling you to stay in good health.